先日買ったばっかりの RX-7FC です。その動画もし見てない方がいればぜひ見てください。この奇跡のワンオーナーの RX-7 はその動画の中でも言ったようにいいオーナーさん、このコミュニティにいるようなすごい大切にしてくれる人がいれば譲りますということをチェイス君に、約束したように本日、ものすごくいい人が決まりました。その方のことを紹介したいと思います。スティーブ的店のスティーブと言います。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。この素敵な RX-7、本当にもう奇跡の出会い。この車とチェイス君がね譲ってくれた車は俺は約束したんだよね。もう自分もここで見てもらえればRX-7 台があるから俺はね譲っていただいてもう光栄ですが、できればいいオーナー、別に売りに出してすぐ売ろうとするわけじゃないんだけど、巡り合いみたいなのがね、なんかねそういうのはたまにあるので、もしあればそういう人に譲りますねって言って、分かりました、それでお願いしますっていうことになったので、こういう話は嘘に聞こえるかもしれない。嘘ではありません。その日にチェイス君と私も譲ってもらった時に、買った時にその日に一周したんですよね。動画見てもらえれば分かるんだけど、その時に近所の人、ここから1,2,3,4軒ぐらいが離れた家の人がすごい優しい人、パットと奥さんと娘さんもいるんだけど、すごい可愛い犬のクルーズ君もいるんだけど、その人たちがなんか見てたらしいよね。あれで、その翌日犬の散歩中に歩いてたら、スティーブさんなんか昨日すごいかっこいい RX-7 に乗ってなかったって、で実はこういう話ですがって動画見せたら、うちの奥さんと出会った時に自分も RX-7 に乗ってたとかっていうので、そこから話が始まるんで、パットのことを紹介したいと思います。パットとクルーズという可愛い犬もいるので紹介したいと思います。パット、クルーズ What's up? クルーズ Sky, it's クルーズクルーズは可愛いね。 What's up, Pat?
Hey,
how are you, man?
Steve?
Look what I got ready for you, dude.
All right, awesome.
Cleaned her up, wiped her down, and I was just getting to tell everybody a little bit about you. So what I figured, since you're coming here to take this beautiful car today from me, that we get in and we take a little ride with these little guys, and you tell me why this car, why you said, man, Steve, that was an RX-7 FC you were in, and I want to know why this car has such deep meaning to you, if you don't mind, man. Why?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah, awesome, man. Cruise! クルーズとスカイがすごい仲がいいんだよね。Hi, Cruise! Hi, Cruise! Hi! かわいいスカイの友達。Hi, yo, Cruise. Pat, man, that's a good-looking car, is it not?
Oh my gosh, that looks
Dude.
sweet. That looks.
Look at that thing. I've cleaned it up a little bit for you before you came. I want it to look nice, but that thing looks so nice. And the story behind it as a one-owner car, man. And that it's from Texas, and it's got all the paperwork, and it's got the window sticker and all that stuff. Dude, what a special car. And the story of how me and you kind of connected on something I want to talk about while we're driving too.
Yeah, sounds great.
Let's go take a spin, man.
All right.
With that being said, here are all the keys, including the valet key and everything. So,
Awesome.
Dude.
Thank you.
it is yours. Let's go take the drive and talk about how sometimes things are happen for reasons, right? I really do believe that sometimes, that there's reasons things happen. I think this whole story of this car, how I got it and now how you're getting it, is a whole things happen for reason type of thing. So while we're driving, let's talk some more.
Proceed.
Dude,
Oh boy.
2 dogs, 2 adults in an RX-7 FC.
That's a little pack.
Yeah, we got Cruise, Sky-chan. Look at Sky and Cruise.
Oh, sounds great.
Dude, this is such a special car. I'm so happy this is winding up this way, Pat. I was starting to tell some people before, the people on the channel, I was starting to tell them, when you met your wife, you were driving an RX-7 FC?
I absolutely was. I picked it up when I was in the Marine Corps.
Wow.
And then at the same time, about a year later, I met my wife, and I was driving the RX-7 at that time.
Dude, that is so. This car has a lot of meaning to you in the sense of not this particular car, but an RX-7 FC in general.
Oh yeah, it's nostalgic. I saw you driving down the street, I think the first day.
That's the
when
story.
You picked it up.
When I was test driving it from him when he brought it over to me to sell it to me.
I told my wife, I was like, I just saw Steve driving an RX-7. I said, do you remember the RX-7? And she was like, oh no, you're going to want to buy it, aren't you? I said, oh, yeah.
But she said yes. She was down to letting you buy it.
She let me. It took a little convincing, but yeah, she did.
You see, that is the story, man. And then the next day or so, I'm walking with Sky in the morning, and I stop by your house like I see you in the morning, right, waiting to let your daughter get to school on the bus. I'm walking by, you said, Steve, what was that car you were driving, right? Was it an RX-7? I said, oh, the black one? You said, yeah. And I told you the story, and then you watched the video, right?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I didn't. That's the first time I seen it, and so I didn't realize it was a new car to you.
It was the first time I saw it too, man. Which is what makes this story good.
I was just at the right point at the right time as you're driving by, you know?
Dude, you know what's just beautiful about this, man, is I didn't know what happened. You saw the video. I promised him that I would try to find a nice home for the car. I didn't need a second RX-7. He trusted me and sold it to me and trusted that I would find a good place. And look at this, man. We turn around. William! The next day, pretty much, walking down, you see the car. I mean, was this not like it's weirdly weird, right? I mean, it's almost like a script. They're meant to be.
It was meant to be.
And I'm so happy, and now you're going to be happy. And you know what's great about this? The goal is this, that Chase will get to see the car again because he lives near here. You will get to come, use this car and come down to the cafe.
Oh, absolutely.
You and your wife, you and your daughter will have fun in this car. You and Cruz. Look at Cruz. He's really like it. Cruz, are you having fun? And Sky loved it. She jumped right into it too. So, man, I'm really happy for you. I'm really, really happy for you. I'm happy for this whole story. It's as geeky as it sounds. I'm kind of geeking out a little bit on what a special thing this was, man. Really, how it's worked out. And I'm just glad that I could see the car again, and you and your wife are gonna probably hopefully relive some moments.
You're only a few houses down. You'll see it all the time.
All the time. Dude, that's awesome, man. And by the way, too, thank you for your service to our country as a Marine. Much appreciated. Thank you very, very much. And man, I like you guys. You're a great family too. So this is a great story. 皆さんどうですか？本当に偶然なんですよ。別に作った台本とか考えた作っちゃった話ではないんですよね。本当にその通りの話なので素晴らしい話。まだ近所にこの車が残る。友達も近所の人に行く。もう彼にRX-7のつながりがある。チェイスも近くに住んでるからまたこの車また見れる。また星カフェまではわずかのところだからまたそこでも会えるということはもう完璧じゃないですか。素晴らしいストーリーです。Man, I don't even know what to say. That was awesome. That is awesome. Are you gonna take your wife out for dinner tonight or something in this car?
Oh, we're taking it for a spin.
Hell yeah, nice, man. Awesome. 皆さん、こういう話です。こういうのもあります。だからこそいつも笑顔で人とね話することがすごい大事なんで、こういうのはねたまに偶然にこういうこともあることはありますね。日々前進前向きにサムズアップ的にやっていきましょう。またこの車じゃスティーブ的店にも出るので出ることが間違いないので、それも皆さんの楽しみのことにしておいてください。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして日々前進前向きに Hey guys, can you do thumbs up? Thumbs up 的にやっていきましょうね。Pat, thank you, man. I look forward to cruising with you too on some Saturday mornings coming up soon.
Hey, thank you, Steve.
You got it, man. パルトさんが嬉しいんだよね。これから帰ります。You look good in that car. You look good in there. I guess I'll be seeing you pretty much every day, man. See you tomorrow. Bye, Cruz. いいな、最高の話じゃないですか。この話はね、スカイの友達のクルーズのパパとママに懐かしい車ゲット。うちの近所で素晴らしい。See you, man. 家はすぐあの辺。スカイちゃん、バイバイ RX-7。